Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the aligned cluster stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and how to make the cluster stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the aligned cluster stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2. You are going to be making 2 rows that you will alternate between, and I will show you how to make the first row on the row that I am currently working. You will work this row into your chains, and I will explain that as we go along. So this first row is going to be a single crochet row, and I have already made 1 chain on my hook. Into this first stitch, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. If you were working into the chains, you're going to make this single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make 1 chain, skip 1 stitch or chain, work a single crochet into the next stitch or chain. In this case, this single crochet is going to be worked in between these previous clusters. Make a chain, skip a stitch or chain, make a single crochet into the next stitch or chain. Make a chain, skip a stitch, work the single crochet right here, chain, skip a stitch, work the single crochet right here, chain, skip, chain, skip. That's how that is looking. Chain. You're going to skip over this stitch. You're going to work a single crochet into this space right here, which is between these previous clusters. Chain, skip, chain, skip, chain and skip. You're going to work a single crochet into the last stitch of your row, or the last chain of your row if you're working into chains. That's how that row is looking. To start the cluster row, I have made 1 chain and I have turned my work. Into this first stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Now you're going to be working into this open space made from this previous chain. You're going to make a 4 double crochet cluster. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your cluster, and it's going to have 4 bottoms of double crochets before you complete it. So I'm going to show you how that's going to look. That's 1 right there, 2, 3, and 4. So now you can see that these 4 right here, they look like the bottom of double crochets. And then we have 4 of them, 5 chains on the hook, yarn over, take that through all to complete that cluster, then make 1 chain to secure it all together. Now you're going to work into the next open space made from those previous chains, and you're going to make another 4 double crochet cluster. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's how that's going to look. Yarn over, take that through all of the loops, make 1 chain to secure it. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your When you reach the end of your row, make 1 half double crochet into the last stitch. And that's how that cluster row is looking. So like I said at the beginning, you would alternate between these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the aligned cluster stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.